Embarking on your journey reveals the path ahead. Stay committed to small tasks, as therein lies your strength. Exercise discernment in choosing companions. Surrounding yourself with better individuals is the swiftest route to self-improvement. Give your best and have faith in the unfolding process. The more effort you invest, the more fortunate you become. Keep expectations minimal and embrace gratitude for all. Appreciate the small blessings in your life. In seeking inner peace, I acknowledge that God entrusts me only with challenges I can handle, although I wish for a bit less trust. Live each day as if the universe favors you. Your path is uniquely yours, while others may join you, they cannot tread it for you. Never internalize external actions and words, they reflect the personal reality of others. Look for wisdom to unravel your difficulties and choose a path that requires your complete dedication. While money isn't the sole essence of life, it can serve as a tool to address numerous challenges. Stress is fleeting, yet the insights gained from it can endure a lifetime. True beauty lies in the enduring qualities of the heart. Sparse growth occurs on rough terrain. Allow yourself to be shaped and transformed so that beauty can blossom in unexpected places. When life compels you to kneel, it's the ideal moment for prayer. Here's a subtle reality: you embody whatever you hold dear. If someone attempts to pull you down, they are beneath you already. Allow the compelling force of your true passions to guide you silently. It won't lead you astray. Shed any guilt about prioritizing what's best for you. Strive for personal excellence to avoid sorrow in comparing yourself to others' perfection. Free yourself from worry. Reflect on the originator of thoughts. Embrace having a kind heart without regrets. Kindness brings forth abundance. Each smile you share is an expression of love, a present to others, a beautiful gesture. If your heart carries light, the path home becomes clear. Love acts as the bridge connecting you to everything. The lion exhibits its true beauty when in pursuit of sustenance. Praising the sun is akin to praising your own eyes. Why confine yourself when the door is wide open? Seeds sown within every individual's soul will eventually blossom. Time consistently reveals one's genuine significance to others. The innermost core of your heart marks the commencement of life, the most exquisite location on the planet. Disregard caution, dwell in the places that evoke fear. I am more than my hair or skin, I am the essence residing within. Embrace sorrow to transform into a mountain of joy, shed tears to erupt into laughter. Dance until you experience a profound release. What causes you pain ultimately bestows blessings, and in darkness, discover the illumination of your inner light. Embrace forgiveness and understanding, but avoid being naive. Women are attracted to a man's kindness and dynamism for immediate intimacy. The universe exists within you, search within yourself. You already possess everything you desire.